Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong issue on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. Often we use third-party application, that's why Instagram gives this error. First of all, what you have to do is you just have to open your mobile settings, then simply scroll down or search for general management. If you can't find it, what you can do is just tap on search bar and directly search for storage. Tap on it and now just tap on this show more. Go for this apps, then simply search for Instagram. Here it is. Tap on this Instagram and now you just have to offload this application, or you just have to tap on this force stop. Tap on this OK, and now you have to uninstall the Instagram application. Tap on it, tap on this OK, and after uninstalling the Instagram application, open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and simply install the Instagram application again. After installing, just go to your browser and search for this Instagram login. Now open this first website and just simply log in your Instagram account on this browser. And as you can see, our Instagram application is logged in into our browser and we are not facing any issue. And then simply tap on this use the app. It will redirect you into this app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.